In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image with Kling AI. By the end, you'll be able to turn a simple idea into a finished image using Kling's powerful text-to-image tool, even if you're brand new to the platform. Start by opening the Kling AI website in your browser. You'll land on the global workspace where both video and image tools live. We're focusing on still images today, so once the page loads, look for the image workspace. This is where Kling groups everything related to image generation, separate from its video features, so you're in the right place for creating photos, illustrations, or concept art. Inside the image workspace, you'll notice an option to use an image reference. This is completely optional, but it's great when you want Kling to mimic the style, color palette, or composition of a picture you already have. Think of it as a visual guide that nudges the AI toward a specific vibe. If you use a reference, choose something clear, high quality, and relevant to your idea, and make sure you have the right to use it. For this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and use text to image. This mode generates artwork entirely from your words, making it perfect for brainstorming or quickly exploring creative directions without any source image. Click into the text to image tool to open the prompt box. Now type your prompt. The more specific you are, the better your results. A good prompt usually includes the subject, the style or medium, the environment, and any important details like lighting, mood, or composition. For example, a cozy reading nook by a window on a rainy afternoon, warm ambient lighting, soft textures, modern Scandinavian style, shallow depth of field, high detail. You can also mention colors, camera angles, or materials if they matter to your vision. Keep sentences clear and avoid contradictions so the model understands what to prioritize. When you're happy with your description, click Generate. Kling will process your request and render a result. This can take a little time depending on demand, so let it run. When the image appears, take a moment to evaluate it against your intent. If it's close but not quite there, refine your prompt with more precise adjectives or remove anything that might be distracting. Then generate again. Iteration is normal and often the fastest path to a great outcome. That's it. You opened Kling AI, navigated to image, considered an image reference, used text to image, wrote a strong prompt, and generated your artwork. Keep experimenting, and you'll quickly develop a feel for the words that produce the images you imagine.